Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me a Canon TS 3452, and now I'm gonna show you how to copy in color on this device. So first, of course, you should have installed a paper card, and you need to have the paper with the context with the information you want to copy inside the glass plate. So look at the paper card here. As you can see here, we have the marker that here we need to have the corner of our device, of our paper card. So if you wanna copy documents, so it will start to copy from this, so from left top corner. Cool. And then just of course you should close the door from the mechanism if you have opened. So first you should close it, then open the paper output and just click OK on your device and click color. Wait a while. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye. See you.